Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to discuss PPP forgiveness, loan forgiveness, and we're going to walk through on how you could use the portal that's available on the SBA website to get your loan forgiven. There's a caveat to that. If your lender did not enroll in the portal forgiveness, you have to go directly through the lender. But you can find out just by signing in to SBA or registering with SBA portal. So if you see my screen, I am already on the SBA website. You want to go to sba.gov/disaster. And then you also want to go to where it says PPP. And it's under, you could find that under where it says different types of disaster funding. So click on that and go to PPP, or you could also type in your Google PPP loan portal forgiveness, and it will also come up. Okay. So once you're in the loan portal, it takes you to where you could register, and you just want to put your name and your information in and register with them. You have to confirm your account, so your email, and it also sends you a 6-digit code to your cell phone. So once you do that, you will be able to put in your EIN or social security number with the loan amount. And you need to know the exact loan amount for SBA is able, so they could pull you up, okay? It should bring your SBA number up, your loan number, and the amount and the lending institution. And it will inform you, hey, you are able to apply for forgiveness, or it will say your institution did not register for this type of forgiveness or the portal forgiveness. Okay. So myself, I have to go through Bank of America, my business bank. And I already knew that. I just wanted to show you this to you. However, if you're able to register or apply for forgiveness through this portal, you should see this screen. It should tell you apply for forgiveness. You click on forgiveness and you should be able to see this screen. Okay. This screen is going to be basically your basic information for your business, and it might already populate with all your information. Okay. If you need to change any of the information, you have to contact SBA to change the information. But you select the appropriate title, enter the primary contact information in your business industry. Okay. And they want you to select the best option. The other fields are locked. Okay. So, and when I say the other fields, your EIN number, your business number, your social security number, the business phone number, all that stuff, even the address is locked. So, and like I said, if you need to change it, you need to contact SBA loan portal. Okay, and this next screen, it's taking you to check to see if you receive additional funds after the initial draw. Your covered period, you can select your covered period 8, 24, 8 or between 8 to 24 weeks. The number of employees at the time of the loan application, and then the number of employees at the time of the loan forgiveness, they want you to put in the amount that you spent on payroll and your requested loan amount for forgiveness. This next field or the next section is just your demographic details. It's not going to change your loan forgiveness or anything like that. And they're saying this field is optional. You don't need to put that in there. So once you are finished with your required documentation, it says if you need to provide additional documents, it's going to tell you. And if you want to just put it in there, you can, because they do have a field where you could put your additional documentation to prove what you spent your loan on. But if they're saying no documents required, those are pretty much the people that has the loan amount less than $150,000. Okay, if you have more than $150,000 in PPP loan, in either of your withdrawals, you'll see this screen, and it's going to tell you what you need to put in. Okay. So hopefully this helps you in applying for your loan forgiveness, your PPP loan forgiveness. Deadlines to apply for this. I want to say it's up to a year before your loan goes back into repayment. You have. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what I read. So let me know your comments and your questions in the comment section. I will put the link for the portal in the description section. And thank you for watching. I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.